Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. So, I'm going to go in the house and rest up a bit, get cleaned up because I'm really filthy. It's dusty today and running the mower. I was in a dust cloud to make Charlie Brown jealous. So, today's work is done, at least for now. I can come back out today, tomorrow, next day. Doesn't matter. It's all the same to me. Well, I got the yard mowed today. I got the branches and leaves picked up around the base of those two trees over there. Still got a pile in front of the shop, and I got some pallets to take care of. Got this log cut up, and I think I'm done for a while. I'm about wobbly on my feet, and it's not good to be running a chainsaw when you're not steady. I got this log cut up. I got the brush cleaned up around the base of those trees over there. I got the yard mowed. I still got a pile of brush in front of the workshop, which I want to do, but it's not an urgent thing. And I got those pallets over there I want to get rid of. But I'm making progress. The problem I keep doing, I keep bringing home stuff to work on. So I've got a branch out there in the sawbuck. I got 3 more laying here on the ground. And a whole pile elsewhere. I'll get to them when I'm done for winter. Like to have this all cut up and split, stacked in a rack like that one, so I can just haul them over and set them in the shop like I did with that little rack over there. That worked out pretty well. I drug it over, set it inside the shop, and filled it full of wood as I was cutting it. But I don't want to leave it in the shop because it just gets in the way. You know, you're not burning wood in the summertime. And I don't need it benched right there. So, time to stop. So that's enough for me. I think I did enough for one day. I'm going to stop for a while, go and get cleaned up, rest a bit. Then I can finish this job tomorrow, next day, week after. Doesn't matter to me. Got a whole life ahead of me. I got to have something to do in it. Might as well stock up a few things extra. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.